Hey, good afternoon everybody. Today I'm doing a treat recipe. This is from my childhood, and my mom used to make these around Christmas, and I don't know how old I was, 5 or 6, and I thought it was just like the best thing I ever seen. And you know, you can use these for birthdays or whatever, right? They're actually really simple. The kids could probably help you. And they're like so easy to make. I mean, you just need some Ritz Crackers, some marshmallows, and some maraschino cherries. Okay, so preheat your oven to 300. I'm just going to make a small batch. Now, try to pick marshmallows that aren't too banged up, because if they are, the cherry's going to slide maybe. So just get a sharp knife and just cut that in half. Now, what I've found, if the knife sticks, you can wet it up a little or use a bit of butter. Now, so what you're going to do is one side is going to be sticky, and that's the side you're going to want up so the cherry sticks to it. After I cut the cherries, just let them sit on the cutting board for a minute or so, because the more juice that's on them, the more chance there is they're going to slide. Now, if they do slide, I would wait till they're not like super hot, but yeah, you can pick up the cherry and stick it in the middle again so they look good. And I'll just move them out a little bit, space them out in case some of them kind of shift around or ooze a little bit. It can happen. That's what I like about this. It's a very casual, forgiving recipe. Okay? The only thing that can go wrong is leaving them in the oven for too long. And under no circumstance, do not turn on the broiler. Marshmallows can catch fire, as you would know at camping. So put them in at 300 for 5 to 7 minutes, and do keep a very close eye on these. 5 wasn't great. I left it in for 7. As you can see, we've had a few casualties here. So what you do is just pick up the cherry and kind of stuff it in the middle. This is easiest to do when it's hot, but you can do it when it's cold too. See, like that? Now this you should have the grown-ups do, because it is hot sugar. And trust me, when you taste these things, you will not care if they're funny looking, alright? And hot sugar burns, so it's very important that you let these cool off to room temperature before you let anybody have any. You don't want any burnt mouths and tears. And when they cool down a little bit, just get a spatula and just transfer it to a plate. So you can just kind of touch them to see if they're cool enough. That's cool enough. I have to try one of these. Yeah. Oh. Like, so good. Okay. So, those are my Cherry-Marshmallow Treats. Do give them a shot. Even grown-up kids will like these. Alright, thanks for watching. See you again.